Ever felt lost in the maze of credit scores, reports, and financial jargon? Like you're trying to decipher a secret code that everyone else seems to understand? You're not alone. Millions of people find the world of credit confusing, and that's exactly why tools like Credit Karma exist. Think about it. Your credit score is like your financial reputation. It's a 3-digit number that lenders use to determine how likely you are to repay a loan. This number impacts everything from your ability to get a mortgage or car loan to the interest rates you'll be offered. A good credit score can unlock better financial opportunities, while a poor one can close doors. So, understanding and managing your credit is crucial. But where do you even start? Traditionally, checking your credit meant paying for reports from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This could get expensive and complicated quickly. That's where Credit Karma comes in. So, what exactly is Credit Karma? In simple terms, it's a free service that provides you with access to your credit reports and scores from 2 of the major credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. Notice I said 2, not 3. That's a key point we'll come back to later. Credit Karma pulls your credit information and presents it in an easy-to-understand format. You can see your credit scores, get insights into the factors affecting them, and even track your progress over time. It's like having a personal credit monitoring tool at your fingertips, without the usual cost. Now, let's break down some of the key features Credit Karma offers. First, and perhaps most importantly, is the free credit score and report access. As we've discussed, this is the core of their service. You can log in anytime and see your updated credit scores and reports. This allows you to stay informed about your credit health and catch any potential errors or fraudulent activity early. Another valuable feature is credit monitoring. Credit Karma actively monitors your credit reports for changes, such as new accounts opened in your name, hard inquiries, or changes to your credit utilization. If any significant changes occur, you'll receive alerts, allowing you to take immediate action if necessary. This is crucial for identity theft protection and maintaining accurate credit information. Credit Karma also offers educational resources and tools to help you understand your credit better. They provide articles, calculators, and simulators that explain complex credit concepts in a simple way. For example, they might have articles explaining the different factors that influence your credit score, like payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. They might also have tools that show you how different actions, like paying down debt or opening a new credit card, could impact your score. Beyond credit scores and reports, Credit Karma also offers other financial tools and services. For example, they offer help with finding credit cards and loans. Using the information they have about your credit profile, they can suggest offers that you're more likely to qualify for. This can save you time and prevent unnecessary hard inquiries on your credit report, which can slightly lower your score. It's important to understand how Credit Karma makes money. They are a free service, so how do they stay in business? Their primary revenue stream comes from partnerships with financial institutions. When you use Credit Karma to find a credit card, loan, or other financial product, they may receive a commission if you are approved through their platform. This is how they can offer their core credit monitoring services for free. Now, let's address some common questions and misconceptions about Credit Karma. One of the biggest points of confusion is the difference between Credit Karma scores and FICO scores. Credit Karma uses the VantageScore 3.0 model, while most lenders use FICO scores. While both are credit scoring models, they use slightly different algorithms and can produce different results. This means that the score you see on Credit Karma might not be exactly the same as the score a lender sees when they pull your credit. However, the scores generally move in the same direction. If your VantageScore goes up, your FICO score is likely to go up as well. It's more important to focus on the overall trend and factors impacting your score rather than the exact number itself. Another important point to remember is that Credit Karma only provides reports and scores from Equifax and TransUnion. They do not provide information from Experian. This means you're not getting a complete picture of your credit from all 3 bureaus. It's a good idea to periodically check your Experian report separately to ensure you have a full understanding of your credit profile. You can do this by going to annualcreditreport.com, which is the only authorized website for free annual credit reports. Finally, it's crucial to understand that Credit Karma is not a credit repair service. They provide you with the tools and information to monitor your credit, but they cannot directly remove negative items from your credit report. If you have errors on your report, you'll need to dispute them directly with the credit bureaus. Credit Karma can help you identify those potential errors, but they cannot handle the dispute process for you. So, to recap, Credit Karma is a valuable tool for monitoring your credit health. It provides free access to your credit reports and scores from 2 of the major credit bureaus, offers credit monitoring alerts, and provides educational resources to help you understand your credit better. It's not a replacement for checking your reports from all 3 bureaus, and it uses a different scoring model than most lenders, but it's a great starting point for anyone looking to take control of their financial well-being. It simplifies the often complex world of credit and makes it accessible to everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.